So I use TopStep, and I'm here to show you how to get up to 80% off using promo codes in 2025. Step 1. Visit the TopStep website. Open your browser and go to TopStep website. Sign in or create a free account. Check for active promo codes. Go to the promotions or offers section. Look for codes marked New Year, limited time, or other seasonal deals. Click on the promo code you want, copy it to your clipboard so you can use it during checkout. When signing up for a funded account or subscription, enter the promo code in the designated field. Double check that the discount has been applied before confirming payment. Complete the checkout process. You should now see the applied discount reflected in your order total. You're ready to start trading with TopStep at reduced rate. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.